The algorithm is crazy, seriously. You might feel that it controls what you see, but the truth is, you can use it to get your content seen by the right audience. If you have ever been glued into watching one video after another or seeing some set of particular content on your screen, then you have experienced the algorithm firsthand. Let's get it clear here. Algorithm determine the content a viewer or a consumer wants to see next. In other words, the algorithm focuses on understanding what each viewer wants to consume and puts the relevant content in front of them at the right time. And it's damn good at it. Yes, it's very good at it. Hello online bosses, it's Onyeisi Victory Chinonso on your screen. And if this is your first time seeing this face, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to consistently get value for your time. And to my old subscribers, welcome back to my channel. I love you all. Okay, back to today's business. The algorithm monitors everyone's behavior online and decide what content to recommend to each viewer. We have a lot of social media platforms: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, name them. Each platform's algorithm behaves differently in their unique way. But if you can understand the algorithm generally, you'll be able to understand your platform's algorithm and adjust with the knowledge you will get today. Let's take YouTube for example. It tracks a lot of things. And let's start with number 1, watch time. YouTube tracks how much time a viewer spends watching a video. The longer they watch, the more valuable YouTube figures that video to be to them. Number 2, YouTube tracks viewers' preferences for the type of content they generally choose to consume. Number 3, it also analyzes which video contributes to keeping a viewer on YouTube for a long time. Yes, every platform wants people to stay without leaving. Number 4, YouTube also pays attention to how satisfied a viewer is with the video they just finished watching. They do this by analyzing the viewer's action after watching that particular video, or simply asking people their thoughts about a particular video and using those responses to make predictions for others. Number 5, YouTube also considers a viewer's search history and analyzes if the person clicked, watched, engaged or didn't engage on the results that were displayed. They even calculate each user's viewing history to check the video they always choose to watch and the one they ignored in the past. All these points I just mentioned is handled by the algorithm. And here is why I said that if you understand how the algorithm works generally, you'll be able to adjust in any platform you find yourself, whether Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, or other platforms. So generally, the algorithm considers the following. Number 1, how long a viewer stays on your content. Number 2, the action a viewer takes after consuming your content, whether they engaged, clicked on your profile for more content, or leave the platform totally. This will let it to know if the consumer is satisfied or not. It helps it to determine whether to push your content more often to that particular person or anyone who loves content similar to yours. Number 3, generally, the algorithm analyzes what people search on the search bar. In case you don't know this, if someone searches for any topic or let's call it keyword on any platform search bar and consumes any content that pops up, the algorithm will start recommending similar content to him or her. Just imagine how many searches people make daily. So because the algorithm is tracking everyone's behavior online to determine who is the best audience for a particular content, you need to understand that in the end, in the end of everything we are doing online, your audience determines how your content grow online. It's not your topic, it's not your keyword, it's not even the likes or comments your content gets. So if you want to achieve your goals on any social media platform you are building on, you need to optimize your content for people, not robots, not the algorithm. Yes, the key to your success on social media is making content that people actually want to consume. In fact, it will be helpful if henceforth you forget about social media algorithm. But I said back there that it was important, right? Yes, understanding the social media algorithm is important, but the best way to understand it is to stop looking at it this way. Just follow me. So instead of thinking that algorithm is equal to growth, put it in your mind that social media audience is equal to growth. Here is why. Since the algorithm is chasing the audience, then we should chase the audience too to achieve our goals. Instead of chasing after the algorithm, create content that people want to consume. Think about it this way. What are their problems? What are they searching for? How can you give them solutions? By creating valuable and engaging content for them, you are automatically optimizing for the algorithm. Now you know what to do to make the algorithm work in your favor. That is helping you put your content in front of those that will value it at the right time. Don't forget that your consumers determine your online growth. If you want a winning framework that will help you start and grow your online brand without trial and error, this video will help you. And if you want to get consistent results as an online brand, this particular video here will help you achieve that. I will also leave the link in the description. Don't forget to drop your questions or anything you want me to talk about in the comment section to help me serve you better. Remember to like this video to tell the algorithm that it was valuable to you. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more actionable social media strategies. See you in my next video. Bye.